everyone, my name is Rupali. Welcome to my channel Sassy Savri. This is the first time I decided to make a monthly favorite video. It is the month of December, but it is possible that this video might come in the first week of January. In every category I have 2 to 3 products, so without wasting any time, let's get started. The very first category is skin. Since it is month of December and winter is here and we all need lip balms in our life, so I am using Himalaya lip balm. It is a awesome lip balm. It is super moisturizing. It is just for 35 rupees and it is 10 grams. It is easy to use. You just have to squeeze it and some product will come on the head and you just have to directly apply. For 35 rupees, I don't think there can be anything better than this. Let's move to the next product. So the next product is a face wash. Again, it is winter and I am a dry skin person. I like to use face washes which are hydrating and non-stripping. So I think I finally found a face wash which does the perfect job for me, and it is creamy face wash from Derma Co. It cleanses, hydrates, fragrance and soap free. It does what it claims. Every time I use it, my skin feels super hydrated, and the best part about this face wash is that it is for sensitive skin people, so dry skin people can also use it. I personally love this face wash. This has to be my favorite face wash till now. Best part about this face wash is I use this face wash in my double cleansing and it removes my makeup as well without making my skin dry. Usually I need to use a strong face wash while double cleansing and my skin feels super dry. This I don't have to care about that. The next category is hair. I have been struggling with hair fall for almost a year now. I have finally taken some professional help. I am seeing a dermat. The next product is coconut oil. I have been using this coconut oil for almost 2 years now. It is Merit Vico Extra Virgin Coconut Oil, and I have talked about this coconut oil in few of my haul videos. I think it is 500 ml for I think 350 or 375 rupees. इसके ना छोटे छोटे bottles भी available हैं. So if you want to try this oil, first try those small bottles. This coconut oil is even edible and it's very nice. So if you are looking for a new coconut oil, you can give this a try. The next product is a hair serum. I'm going to talk about Silk and Shine hair serum. I have been using this for almost 3 years now because it's going to expire very soon and I have to stop using it. I'm sad about it because इसमें अभी भी काफी product बाकी है. This is for someone who has dry and frizzy hair. It does reduce the dryness and frizz, and also if you have used the Livon serum, its texture is even heavier than the Livon serum. So Livon serum doesn't really work for me because वो बहुत light हो जाता है. So this is especially for someone who has dry hair. The last product from hair care is scrunchies. I don't used to believe in them, but since I have started using them, I am seeing a difference in my hair. I mean, my hair breaks less while making ponies and braids. So if you are someone who doesn't believe in scrunchies, definitely give them a try. The next category is makeup. This time I'm going to show only 2 lip products in makeup. So the very first lip product is this Miss Clear lip liner. It is in the shade Sandy Pink L24. It is a beautiful nude color. This lip liner is non-drying, so if you are someone who has non-dry lips, you can actually use it like a lipstick, which is great. It is just for 65 rupees, and the variety of color which this lip liner offers is awesome. There are like 30 or 20 shades, so you will definitely find shades whichever you are looking for. The next product is Insight lipstick. This is the lipstick which I am wearing right now, and it is the only red lipstick which I own. The shade which I am wearing right now is 21 Romance, and it was for 90 or 75 rupees. I'm not sure between both of these prices. It is 4 ml in quantity. The best part about this lipstick is that it is non-drying. Usually liquid lipstick can be drying, but I can use even 2 layers of this lipstick and I will not feel dry, and it is also very lightweight. The next category is body care. So in body care I have Miniso Deo. It is Twinkle Stones deodorant body spray Mystic Blue, and it smells awesome. It smells divine, and if you're someone who doesn't like really floral smells, now it is for you. It's just for 90 rupees and its quantity is 50 grams. For 90 rupees 50 gram is great. I didn't purchase it, I got it as a gift. I loved it so much that I went to Miniso and bought one for me, and it is unisex, so even males can use it. The next product from Body Care are these nail paints, and I have talked about these nail paints in one of my transformation videos. These are nail paints from Trends and each of these nail paint is just for 30 rupees. ये आपको online नहीं मिलेंगे, you have to go to the physical store of Trend. I have 3 nail paints from Trends, but right now I can find only 2. So I have M01 Lavender and the other one is Top Coat. The only downfall of these nail paints is that there is not a lot of color varieties. I really wish Trends और भी colors लेके आए. These are 5 ml just for 30 rupees, which is great. Now let's move to the last category. So the last category is shows which I watched this month. So I'm going to talk only about 2 shows because अगर मैं सारे shows के बारे में बात करने लग गई ना तो ये वीडियो सिर्फ shows का ही वीडियो बन जाएगा. So the very first show was Burari House of Horror. If I'm not wrong, it has just 3 episodes and oh my god, it gives you chills. And if you are someone जिन्हें ना ये भूत and इन सब चीज़ से डर लगता है, don't watch it. I mean, it's a bad idea. And especially if you sleep alone or you live alone, don't watch it. Please don't. Otherwise, you will have sleepless night for weeks or days. It is basically a documentary about an incident which happened in Delhi. It's a very nice show and it tells you about how important mental health is and the aspects of mental health of which you might have not even thought of. So do give this a try. But अगर आपकी बहुत फटती है ना तो मत देखना अकेले, किसी के साथ ही देखना. By the way, both of these shows are Netflix originals and all the products which I have mentioned in this video will be in the description box. So the next show is also a documentary. It is called Lynx Hills. It's basically a hospital situated in America if I'm not wrong. And it's a documentary of doctor working in a hospital and what kind of thoughts they go through. It might be boring for some people. I watched it because I need to watch something while eating, and also I tried to not watch shows which are like really good and addictive because I'm a binge watcher. So that's all for the month of December. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give the thumbs down and comment down below what you feel of this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.